when you're setting up products, you have a lot of flexibility on what you want to sell. So we go to the products list, and you'll have to figure out how you want to, if you want to set up one-time purchases for everything, like if you're just going to do postcards first, or if you're going to be doing directory, if you want to charge for web ads, you want to do a subscription product, it's up to you. I have samples, as you can see here. Um, and so I'll just go through, you've got your name, your description, and you've got an editor here so you can make bullet points. There's two types of products, and one is the account plan. So the account plan is designed so that you can only have one plan per client account at a time. And this is probably more valuable for when you're using a merchant account, because what it will do is when the client goes into their account and clicks on the products, at the top it's going to say my current plan, and it's going to show what plan they are. They're silver, and then below that it will have the other choices, so they could upgrade to gold. And if they do that, then it will cancel their silver subscription and it will now have them as gold. So this way, the system enforces that you can only have a subscription to one account plan at a time. Now with PayPal, if it works the same way, except that once they upgrade to the next one, either you or they need to go into PayPal and be sure to cancel the subscription, the old one, or else it will keep charging them two subscriptions. But as far as 25 coupons is concerned, and 25 coupons would still log those charges that come in, but as far as it's concerned, as far as showing what their current plan is, it's only going to show one at a time, the most recent one. If you don't care that it's one at a time, then you can just choose general product. So you could make a subscription for their web directory. You could make a subscription for, their small ad or whatever. I would think it would be easiest to keep the subscription type products as your account plan, because you'd only want them to be subscribing to one thing at a time, I would think. And then use general product for like your one-time purchases, like they purchased a video or they purchased a solo postcard or maybe a small ad to an additional zone that they're not normally subscribed to, and you've got different options here. You can set up monthly, you can do a trial, and then of course the check mark to show on the website. And that just means it's going to show on the advertise page in your list here. Okay, so if you only have two, it's just going to make two large boxes. If you only have three products, it'll make them evenly spaced. Once you go to 4 products or more, it's going to make them 4 across, and it'll just keep listing them out. So this could get large, but depending on how many you have. But the description, you can see here, this is the description. So just a nice clean layout and look. If you've got a free trial, the system will automatically display that in a easy to read format, and then they click get started, and then that takes them through the checkout process where they create an account. And if you're on a merchant account, it will ask for their credit card, and if you're on PayPal, it will finish the account, and it'll bounce them right over to PayPal where they can pay, and then they're redirected right back into their account, their new fresh account. So enter 0 here if you don't want to offer a free trial, and the trial price, pretty self-explanatory. You could do yearly if you want to do yearly. That would be particularly handy if you want to do like $20 a year. If you want to charge them for a premium listing, it's up to you. And then the other component of this is the promotions. This is very powerful. This is where we can create a promotion, and if you've seen maybe from time to time some marketing techniques that 25 Coupons uses, this is the exact same type of promotions module. So you can create a promotion here, give it a name, and then you can you give it a code, and you say what product you want it to be, and okay, and then your frequency. So you can override what you have on your displayed on your web page. You create your own pricing structure here. And then there's this check mark here, bypass billing info collection on sign up if this promotion is a free trial. So if you're wanting to offer a free trial for something that you don't normally offer a free trial for, um, you can collect the credit card info ahead of time, or you can check mark that, and then it's like you can put on maybe you're doing a squeeze page somewhere else, or I don't know. You can put the check mark this, and that way you can say no credit card required. All right. And then restriction, you can say, none, or, maximum number of uses, only allow 10, and or a specific time frame. Okay, and then you can have it expire in, on a certain date range. Very powerful techniques. And then the last thing is allow promotion on existing accounts and upgrades. So this, if you want to be able to allow the person to enter this once they're already logged in, there's on the available products in the client's account, there's a list in it, and it shows it asks them for the coupon or a promo code box. So you can check mark this if you want if you want to allow them to enter the coupon code there. Otherwise, if it's unchecked, then it's only valid for initial sign up. So this promotion would not be valid. It would give an error saying that this promotion is not valid. Okay, so that's the products and promotions modules.